With Lincoln Electric, get the right tool for the job every time. The Lincoln Electric Weld-Pak 90i FC is ultra portable, only weighing 15 pounds. The shoulder strap makes it easy to transport while leaving your hands free to carry other equipment. That means you can tackle those welding projects anywhere you have a 120-volt circuit. This 90i FC might be mini, but thanks to its inverter technology, it's mighty. It's packed with enough power to weld up to quarter-inch material. So whether it's on the job site or around the house, this sleek machine will help you conquer the projects you always dreamed about. Lincoln Electric designed the Weld-Pak 90i FC for hard-working professionals and do-it-yourselfers. A simple two-knob operator interface makes it easy for anyone to operate regardless of skill level. The convenient process chart helps you dial in the amperage and wire speed to get the perfect weld. Best of all, it's available at your favorite retailer. So why should the Weld-Pak 90i FC be your go-to machine for on the go and in the shop? Along with the portability and power, it comes with the accessories you need to flux cord weld, including a connected welding gun, work clamp, contact tips, and nozzle. All you need is a 2-pound spool of Lincoln Electric flux cord wire and you're set to weld. The 1/4 turn spool lock makes it easy to add the wire. But before you start to weld, make sure you have the right personal protection equipment. Lincoln Electric has a wide selection of helmets, gloves, and other gear to keep you safe. Now you're ready to weld. And finally, the Weld-Pak 90i FC is a Lincoln Electric welder. For over a century, professionals have trusted Lincoln for welding equipment, consumables, and accessories. Whether this is your first welder or an addition to your equipment lineup, you can trust the 90i FC to deliver the quality you expect from Lincoln Electric. So check out the Lincoln Electric Weld-Pak 90i FC. You'll like its portability, its ease of use, and of course, its welding power. It truly is the first welder designed to be your first welder.